Railway safety rules. 1. Stay back from the tracks and stand behind the safety line. 2. Look both ways and listen for trains before crossing. 3. Use designated pedestrian crossings or overpasses. 4. Obey all rail safety signs and signals. 5. Stay alert and avoid distractions near tracks. Do this and you will be safe.
Wait for the train door to open and let everyone get off before you get on. Make sure to line up nicely and be patient, just like him. See how he waits calmly? That's a great behavior. Can you do the same? Is that a yes, is it? Awesome. Awesome.
Awesome.
Railway track.
Okay,
Are you excited? Come. Okay. Another train.
Another train. Another train.
What is the next train station?